Hey guys, so today we're gonna talk about missing textures and how to solve them. That goes into a little bit of our understanding of what a shader, or sorry, a shading editor is, um, which is basically working with your textures. This is where you're gonna determine what color, what color the material is, how it behaves, reflects the light, the volume, the texture, all of those things. So, first things first, for us to solve this problem, we're going to click on the object and we're going to have a tab, which is the shader editor open. So here you can see the nodes. In this case, we're going to do the sclera first. And the problem is here that you have an image that is missing to say or to tell what color that object is. It could be the color, it could be the roughness, which roughness is how moist that material is. And then once you come here, you're gonna look at your images. What does the image texture look like? It looks like this square right here. So this is what's missing, right? And then you're gonna open image and you're gonna find wherever it is. If you, for example, you downloaded my template file for a bust, and then you have the eyes, but you don't have the texture. It came with the textures, so when you downloaded it, it should have come with the textures, and you can just open that file. You can just open and find the sclera color in this case. Okay, as you can see, when I replaced with the sclera color, it already fixed my issue. But if you're still having problems, maybe because you don't have the other textures, all you're gonna do is you're gonna come and here you're gonna open the image, and here you're gonna do the sclera opacity. And for the displacement, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna come over here in the image texture, you're gonna open, and you're gonna find the sclera displacement. But as you can see, once everything's linked, this part, the white of the eyes, is fixed, but you still don't have your iris. So you're gonna come to iris, and you're gonna open the file. You're gonna find it, and then you're gonna link to it. In my case, I already have it here, so I'm just gonna change those notes. It already fixed the issue that I had, but if you're still having issues, just go ahead and find the other textures. In this case, this one is going to be the iris displacement, which is linked to the normal map. And then you're going to open, you're going to find the texture on your computer, and then you're going to click iris displacement. Same thing here for the iris opacity, and so on and so forth. Once you linked those textures, which the texture should come with when you download the file, you are good to go. And that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me, either in the comment section or on our Discord group. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time.